Good morning to all of you, and once again welcome back to my channel Steam Mechanical. Already I make few videos based on the first law of thermodynamics. Also I take an example based on first law of thermodynamics undergoes a closed system cyclic process. In this video I take an example through which I want to show you how you can solve the questions related to first law of thermodynamics undergoes a closed system for a change of state. So please observe my video till end and you will be able to solve such kind of questions very easily. So let's go to the point of discussions. First carefully read the question. A fluid system contained in a piston cylinder machine passed through a complete cycle. So this is the first information we are get, passed through a complete cycle of 4 processes. How many processes? 4 processes. The total heat transfer, this one is also important. The total heat transfer is given how many? Minus 340 kilojoule per cycle. Please observe the unit also. Okay, here minus 340 kilojoule per cycle. The system completes 200 cycle per minute. Okay, now complete the following table. So we have to fill this blank. Okay, this one, this one, this one, as well as these three. So when you read the questions, you are got an idea. The question is from first law of thermodynamics for a change of state. So let's go to the processes one by one. First, process 1 to 2. Forget about process 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. Just consider the process 1 to 2. We are already discussed in our previous video. There is only one equation related to the change of state, and the equation is nothing but the dq is equal to dw plus du. So just you have to use this equation and you can solve this kind of questions. So for process 1 to 2, what is the dq is given na 0 kilojoule per minute. So just put it 0 kilojoule per minute is equal to dw is given 4340 kilojoule per minute and plus du we have to find it, and du for which process? For process 1 to 2. So from here I can write du 1 to 2 is minus 4340 kilojoule per minute. Okay, so this blank can be filled by minus 4340 kilojoule per minute. Let's go to the process 2 to 3. For process 2 to 3 also we have to find out this blank. Okay, now here dq is given how much? 42000. Here I'm not write this equation again and again. You can take from here and just put the values here. Okay, so for process 2 to 3 q value is given, so I just write it. W is also given 0, and we have to find out du for process 2 to 3. Okay, so you can just write it. Process for process 2 to 3, change in internal energy, I mean du 2 to 3 is equal to 42000 kilojoule per minute. Am I right? So you can fill it here 42000 kilojoule per minute. Now let's go to the process of 3 to 4. For process 3 to 4, q is given minus 4200 is equal to, we have to find out this dw, okay, for process 3 to 4, and plus du, I mean change in internal energy for process 3 to 4 is given minus 73200. So after calculation you will be get that for process 3 to 4 dw will be how much? 69000 kilojoule per minute. Okay, you just take it from this side to this side and you will be get this answer. Okay, fill this value here, 69000. Okay, up to now it's clear now. Now when we are come to the process 421, we can observe there is Q, W and change in internal energy, nothing is given. But in previous processes, only one is unknown, and by using this equation, we can easily find out the value which we want. For process 421, to find out the heat interaction, they are provide us the total heat interactions. But we have to take care about the unit. Okay. First of all, we have to convert this total summation of Q from kilojoule per cycle to kilojoule per minute. To convert this one, they are also given the system complete 200 cycle per minute. So if we want Q as a kilojoule per minute, then what we have to do? Kilojoule per cycle is given. Am I right? If we are multiply it by cycle per minute, then cycle get cancelled out. We will be get kilojoule per minute. Am I right? So just multiply this 340, which is in kilojoule per cycle, into number of cycle complete per minute. So we will be get the answer as a minus 68000 in kilojoule per minute. Now listen, this is the total heat transfer. Total heat transfer, this Q is nothing but the summation of Q12 plus Q13, 223 plus Q324 plus Q421, am I right, is equal to nothing but 68000, because this is the total heat transfer. Now this Q12, Q23, Q34 already given. Okay, so just we have to find out the Q41, and easily we can find the value of Q41 from this equation. Just put the value of Q12, which is nothing but 0, Q123 is nothing but the 42000, and Q34 is nothing but the minus 4200. After putting those values and take in the right hand side, you will be get Q41 as a minus 10580 kilojoule per minute. Okay, so this is the value of nothing but the how many heat interaction takes place in process Q, process 421. So we get summation of Q, which is nothing but the total heat transfer, as a minus 68000 kilojoule per minute. Okay, so now we know that for a closed system cyclic process, the summation of Q can be written as a summation of W. Okay, so we can write down that total work transfer, I mean summation of W, is also equal to minus 68000 kilojoule per minute. Okay, so this summation of W is nothing but my W12 plus W23 plus W34 plus W41 is equal to minus 68000. Am I right? So if you put all the values of W12, which is nothing but 4340, similarly W23, which is nothing but 0, and W34, which we are found out 69000, then you will be get W41 as minus 141,340 kilojoule per minute. Okay, now up to now we are find out for process 421 Q41 and W41. Simply again we can use the equation, which one we can use for a simple process or change of state, that change in heat dq is equal to change in W plus change in internal energy. Okay, so dq we are get minus 10580, and in work interaction we are getting minus 141,340, and change in internal energy, which is nothing but basically for a process 421. Okay, so if we are take this one in the left hand side, then we can find out change in internal energy for process 421. as a 35540 kilojoule per minute. Okay, so here we can feel that for process 4.1 the work interaction is minus 141,340 kilojoule per minute, and heat interaction already we are find out. Now change in internal energy is 35540 kilojoule per minute. So I think you are got the point that how you can solve such kind of questions. So if you get that my video is helpful for you, then please like and subscribe my channel to get such kind of video related to the mechanical engineering. Okay, thank you.